Ditch the website hassle and start getting paid directly with Stripe payment links. First, log into your Stripe account and navigate to the payment links section, usually found in the products or payments area of the dashboard, depending on your Stripe version. Click the Create Payment Link button to start building your link. Now, you'll need to choose the product or service you're selling. You can either select an existing product from your Stripe catalog using the drop-down menu, or create a new one right here by clicking Add New Product. This lets you define the product name, description, and price. Customize your payment link by choosing whether it's a one-time purchase or recurring subscription. You can also enable quantity selection, collect customer addresses for shipping, and add a free trial period if applicable. In the After Payment section, decide what happens after a successful purchase. You can either display a confirmation page on Stripe or redirect the customer to a specific website or thank you page you've created. Once you're happy with all the settings, click the Create Link button. Your payment link is now ready. Simply copy the link and share it anywhere: social media, email, text messages, or even embed it in a QR code. Now you can receive payments directly from your customers without needing a website. It's that simple.